Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a penguin, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is create a circle, and this is going to be our penguin's head. After you create your circle, what we're going to do is we are going to make a line that looks like this. It's going to be a line coming down to about the middle of your circle, and then on the other side do the same thing. Now here we're going to put our penguin's eyes, so nice big round circles. At the top of those circles, make a little shine mark and fill the rest of it in with your black marker or anything that you're using to color with. Now for this part, we're going to make a soft triangle with a little mouth underneath. Look at how cute that is. Now we're going to go down here to our penguin's body, and that is going to be an upside down C. It's okay if you make them a little bit chubby. And then inside this shape, we're going to make another shape that looks like this. And then we're going to make the penguin's wings on the side. So curved line coming down and come back in. Curved line coming down and come back in. For his feet, they're just going to stick out from the bottom, just like that. Now let's make a background for our penguin. We're going to make a line, jump over our penguin's body, make another line, and then above that line, we're going to make another line, and this is going to be the snow. Let's make some lines coming down. And then behind him, let's make a little bit of a snowdrift or a little bit of a mountain or a hill of snow. So I'm going to be making this slanting up like this. Did you see how I jumped right over my penguin's face because I didn't want to make a line through it? And then maybe here, another hill coming down. If I'd like to make a couple of trees, this is how I do it. I make a triangle, and then underneath, attached, I make another triangle, and then I fill that in with color. If you have some crayons or something that you'd like to color that in with, that's fine. Don't forget your trunk. And then over here, I think I'll make another one. Color that in, make another triangle, and then a little trunk. Make a couple of clouds in the sky. Nice and fluffy. And to show that this is ice that he's standing on, I'm just going to make some light squiggly lines. There you go, there's your penguin. I hope you had fun with this lesson. I'll see you next time.